How do you like it? You excited for Aaron and Sarah's wedding? Sadie, what are you doing in there? Uh-oh, baby overboard. Sadie, such a big girl. They're gonna walk down the aisle. Sadie's gonna roll in her radio flyer with her cousin Monrovia and her cousin-in-law. Her cousin-in-law. Yeah? What do you see over there? Are you gonna ride with Polly and Monrovia and Ruby? What do you see down there? She's really funny. What are you doing? Hi!